5 degrees. Doesn't have to be perfect. Remember, they can get it from the swing.
A little bit down.
Right there.
A little more down. Right there.
At least get a couple of swings. It's looking good, right?
Yeah.
Now, you might have noticed the angle changing in the image. I'll let you get that. I suppose we probably should have checked one of these to make sure they actually work before we do 17 trials or whatever. Whatever. You students.
They're gonna work.
You students, you better learn. All right, are we ready for some data up here?
Sure.
You can see this is changing quite a lot. So maybe we should just look at these first couple, right? These first 4 maybe. So that's the times in there. So let's go right here. Remember, time is on the horizontal axis, force is on the vertical axis in newtons. Let's get the next one. Got it?
Yep.
Got it?
Yep.
Let's get one more. Okay, let's go down here and get these bottom ones. Got it?